show you how to do some basic terminal commands in Linux, which also applies to Mac and Apple TV. To do a directory listing, you do ls, which shows you everything in the current directory which you're in. To clear the screen, you hold down Control L. So to do a directory listing showing everything, including hidden files, you do ls tac a. Tac is a hyphen. That shows everything. You can see the hidden files have got a dot before them, like .gtk-term-rc here. That is a hidden file. Control L again to clear. To see who you're logged in as, you do who am I. I'm Matt. Control L, clear. Basically, when you're typing, you can press tab to autocomplete. So if I want to type GT tab. See, I press tab there. If I press GTK-T, that's a bit of software I've got called GTK-Turn. Don't worry about the software, but I'm showing you how it completes it. So if I want to go to CD, if I want to go to my local folder, sorry, I'm going to go to a folder, which is Home Mac Desktop. I do /HO and press tab, it will complete it to home. And MA, press tab again, and press capital DE and tab. It's basically guessing on the first few characters of what you type, what to autocomplete when you press tab. So basically to go to a folder, you CD into it. To create a folder, you do mkdir space folder name. Folder name. That's now made a folder called folder name. If I show the directory listing with ls, it's a list, you'll see a folder name there. If I want to go into it, I do cd current directory folder name. That means make my current directory folder name. So basically it means go into the folder. To go back a folder or up a folder in the tree, you do cd ... Clear the screen, Control L. To remove a folder, list your directory first. You see you want to get rid of folder name. You do rm minus rf folder name. Clear the screen, list again. You can see it's gone. No folder name anywhere. Remove a file. There's a file called Skype. That Skype file there. Say I want to remove that. I do rm. Don't type minus rf, just rm Skype, and it guesses it because you press tab. There's only one file in there with sk at the beginning, so it just basically guesses that. Remove that, clear the screen, it's gone. If you want to see where you are, type pwd, print working directory, which means print to screen, show me on the screen which directory I'm in. You're in Home Mac. Okay, well, I'm in Home Mac, you'll be wherever you are. If you want to get a file, say I want to get the home page of Google, I do wget http google.com. You see it's saved index.html. You see it's saved, and if I do clear screen ls, there it is. I can remove that, remove index.html. It's gone. If I want to reboot, I'll just type in reboot and press return. I won't do that because obviously I won't do that. If you want to run a file in the same directory where you are, you type in // and then the name of the file, some file. Okay. If you want to see what's excuse me, if you want to see what's in a file, you cat it, which means print to screen. Whoa, that was too much. Okay. If you want to rename it, let's do renaming a file. Let's create a temporary file first. To create a temporary file, to create a file which is empty with 0 bytes, just to touch the name of the file. Test file. Test file. Do a directory listing. You see test file is there. Now you want to rename a file, you do mv, which means move. Now you're moving test file to new test file. The reason you're moving it is because you're moving it from one file name to another. So you do mv, the name of the file you want to rename, and then the new name of the file. There you go. That's all for the moment. I can't think of anything else you'd like to know, but that's it for the moment, mate. Cheers.